Hi everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So, as you read in my description today, we are going to be unboxing the June Look Fantastic box. What did I want to tell you? Because, this is my second time trying to make this video. Oh, yes. Yesterday in my Luxe June 2019 video, I put this on and I said, oh great, it's not matte because it went on creamy. So I put it on today and it dried down matte. It goes on creamy, dries down matte. And I don't like the way a matte lipstick feels on my lips. So I just went in then with this, what was this? This little Clinique moisturizing lipstick here over on top of it. So I just want to let you know, for those of you who are getting that Luxe box, when you try that lipstick, I just had to get it off the corners there. When you try that lipstick and you heard me saying it was creamy and not matte, it's matte, okay? Okay, Look Fantastic is a UK sub box. I am getting such a pain in under my boob. UK skincare box. It's mostly skincare from the UK. Every now and then, usually you get one item of makeup in this box. Sometimes you don't. Most times you do. This box, if you sign up for 12 months, which this is what I love about this company. If you sign up for 12 months, the money does not come out of your account all at once. They take it out monthly. So I pay between $20 and $21 a month for this box. Usually it's full and deluxe sizes, mostly deluxe sizes, though you will get full sizes as well, right? And again, it's very expensive skincare. Like the stuff that I get in this box gets me excited because number one, I'm in Toronto, Canada, and it's brands that I can't get here, and it's really expensive skincare. And what did I want to say? I can't remember. Anyway, here's what the box looks like. It's gorgeous. The box always changes every month. The theme this month, I believe, is travel around the world. I don't know. We'll get into it and see. Every month they always have a little saying right here inside the box, and it's travel makes us all storytellers. Isn't that cute? I mean, I love these boxes. They're perfect for storing stuff, putting something in as a gift. And every month they always have an Elle magazine in the box. This magazine is made for Look Fantastic. They don't put any sniffers in here, unfortunately, but it is a great magazine, so, perfect for travel on the plane. You got a magazine, which I can't wait to book my Jamaica trip, which I think I might do that today. I was supposed to do that yesterday, but I was just so freaking busy. Like, I got this box yesterday, but I uploaded the other two, and I was just so busy. It's just, life is busy. Okay, so the box comes looking like this. Pretty little yellow paper. And you always get a pamphlet and a sneak peek for July. The sneak peek for July is the Elemis Hydra Balance Day Cream. Check this out. It is 19 pounds. So I know 19 US dollars is, oh my God, what is that? $27, $28 Canadian. So 19 pounds, this is like 50 bucks. Seriously, like it is, to convert that over to Canadian, it's double our money. You know what I mean? So that's what's going to be in July's box, which is pretty awesome. The LMS Hydra Balance Day Cream. All right, and the theme is around the world. I knew it was about travel. So I'm just going to open up the little pamphlet here so we can just take out the stuff and see what it's all about. I love this box. Oh, I'm getting a pain, though. Okay, let's start with the first thing. The first thing in this box, it's a little packet like this. SBR. What are you? Oh. It is an eye cream. Oh my goodness. This is worth 15 pounds, so $45 Canadian, $50 Canadian. It is 15 mil. And let's see what it says. Apply morning and evening, obviously. It is the SBR Taupe Eyeless Palberball Dry and Sensitive Eyelid Cream. Oh my God, because I have dry eyelids. Old freaking dry eyelids. I can't wait to try this. Eye cream is a skincare essential, even when you don't think you need it. We'd suggest keeping this in the fridge to help relieve puffiness upon application. I'm going to do that. I cannot wait to try this for dry eyelids, and I have dry eyelids. I cannot wait. This French eye cream delivers 24-hour hydration, immediately relieving any discomfort. This is pretty cool. So again, 15 pound, I'm going to say about $45, $50 Canadian. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Okay. The next thing in this box is this e-cooking peeling mask, and it says a small amount goes a long way with this powerful serum. No, that's wrong. Due to the concentration of AHAs, this mask should tingle upon application. This means it's working. We suggest using this in the evening for best results. So it's a face mask. Leave it on for 4 to 6 minutes. It's a Danish skincare company called E-Cooking. And what it says right here is, no panic. If skin turns red, it works. Add moisturizer after. That's interesting. I can't wait. I'm going to give this a try tonight. I can't wait to try that. And the eye cream. Remember, $20, and that is 11 pound 10. So again, 11 pound 10, $30 Canadian, something like that, right? The next thing in this box is, wow, this is a little tiny bottle. This little tiny incy wincy bottle is 25 pounds. So you're talking $75 Canadian. This little tiny bottle. It is a BioEffect EGF serum. A small amount goes a long, long way with this powerful serum. We'd suggest using a pea-sized amount for the best results. Smooth 2 to 4 drops over clean and dry skin on the... Oh my God. Smooth 2 to 4 drops over clean and dry skin on the face and neck, patting gently until fully absorbed. $25 for this little tiny bottle of serum. Like, what is this, made of gold? I can't wait to try it. Can't wait to try this. Holy cow, 100% vegan. This mask delivers results in under 10 minutes. What is it? It's a serum. This serum acts as an anti-aging treatment by reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while boosting radiance. Oh my God, I cannot believe. Like, let's compare. There's my little mini tiny lipstick. $25. I cannot believe that. $25 for this little bottle. Wow. All right. So, not even bucks. 25 pounds. That is insane. So, like, what was the cheapest thing? Oh, so that mask. So this here covers the price of the box and then some. Okay. The next thing in here is, okay, so you could have gotten a salt spray or a Go Big treatment spray. And I got the Go Big treatment spray by Bumble and Bumble. And what is mine? Boost limp hair with a thickening Go Big treatment. Yay, because I don't use hairspray. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to get this. Spray throughout damp hair, blow dry and style as desired. And you could have gotten this one or the Surf Spray Salt Spray. I am so excited to get this. It improves strength and texture. This conditioning treatment helps create a healthy, soft, and volumizing head of hair. And this is how many mil? 30 mil. So 1 fluid ounce. And this is £2.40. So $8, something like that. Okay. Oh, we got something else in here. All right. Whew. So we got 6 items this month in this box. That's pretty cool. Boy, I'm getting this pain right up in under my boob. Okay, the next thing in the box is the Coors Olive Soap. Natural pure Greek soap, chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. What did I get? That's not telling me. I want the pomegranate. I don't know if I want olive. Chamomile. That's what I got. I got chamomile. So I got chamomile. Okay. Yes, Maddie. Just wait a minute. This is 5 pounds and it's a soap. I can't really smell anything. It's chamomile. That's a flavor that I got. But you would have gotten chamomile, pomegranate, or olive and olive blossom. No, chamomile. That's what it's called, chamomile, not caramel. Oh, you got caramel on the brain. Okay, and the last thing in this box is Filorga. Right, this is tiny. This is 7 mil. Filorga, and it is £9.10. I was going to say cents. You apply it in the morning and evening, massaging into your face and décolletage. Oh my God, I know how to say this word. I really honestly do. Integrate as part of a daily facial massage routine to reduce puffiness or inflamed skin. Collagen, hyaluronic acid. It's French. And yeah, so I guess, I don't know. I don't think it's a moisturizer. It just says a cream, an ultra lifting cream. Okay, so to recap, we have this, and this is £9. I'm going to say, again, £9, $30 for this. I know, it sounds crazy, right? All right, and that was 7 mil. Then we got the soap, and I got chamomile. That was £5. Then we got the hairspray, which is 1 fluid ounce, 30 mil. And that was $2.40. Last month's box was crazy. This month's box, it's, you know, I mean, then you got this little tiny thing. And I don't even know how many mils this is. Is it telling us? 3 mil. This little 3 mil of serum worth £25. I mean, this has got to be some freaking expensive UK skincare. You know, like, do you complain because it's not a big enough bottle, but this little tiny bottle is £25, right? And then you got the peeling mask, and that was £11. And you got this eye cream. So, I mean, you got 6 things in the box, and in Canadian is well over $200 for sure, right? In Canadian, and you got the eye crown, and that was eye cream, and that was $15. So, you know, look fantastic. I can't wait to try this stuff. I cannot wait. I can't wait. I'm going to try it all tonight. I can't wait to try that £25 serum. That's nuts. That's it, everyone. Please let me know. Do you look fantastic? What do you think about this month's box? I think it's, out of 10, I'm going to give it a 7.5. There was no makeup, and it's always nice to get a little bit of makeup in the box, you know. I knew I had lipstick on my teeth. It's always nice to get at least one item of makeup in this box. You know, the soap, I'm kind of like, yeah, I don't need the soap, right? I got lots of soap here. But the other stuff, I can't wait to try it. Like, I'm intrigued to see, does it work? Especially for the prices of it, for such small bottles. But for $20 a month, I'm happy to try out expensive products that I'd probably never try out in my life. You know, that's the way I think of it. Next month's box, again, is going to have the LMS cream. So you never know what's going to happen for next month. Last month was great. This month, about a 7 out of 5. Hopefully next month is a 10, you know? That's it, everyone. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to send in your pictures and your postcards. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have a good day. Bye. Do you want to say bye? Move in and say bye.
Bye.
Bye.